Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be talking today about more knots. I'm going to learn more basic knots, and we're going to review the lark's head knot and add on to it. Okay, so here is the lark's head knot, and this is how you start onto a project, how you connect the cord onto something. Usually the rod. Usually this is the starter of your project. To review, you have your cord in half and the loop goes over top of your rod, and then you pull the strings through. There you go. And you have kind of like cast it on. Okay, now, so you do that for a lot of cords because you probably need quite a few for a project. So then after that, you would make some knots. One of the most common ones is going to be a square knot. A square knot uses 4 always. So it's 2 strings, but you get 4 cords out of that because of them being folded in half. So your 2 inside ones are going to be utilized as things to move around, okay? These 2 outer ones are going to be tied around them. Okay, so what you're going to do is, this is going to be in the middle and stay in the middle, these 2. The left one, you're going to take and put it like a number 4. See that? And it's hanging down. The right one, you're going to put on top of this left one here. So you've got it in that 4 position. You're going to take that one that was on the right, pull it through the loop. Okay? And then you have that kind of pretzel look there. Hold on to those 2 in the center and pull up. Okay? That's half of the knot. Then you do the reverse. So this is like a backwards 4. Now you're using the right one first, and you put the left one on top, and that left one will go through the loop. Same thing. See that look? Symmetrical. Then you pull up. You've completed a square knot. The square knot is used a lot in plant hangers and things that hold things, pockets and things like that. The square knot is used quite a bit. So that is a very important one. Now, if you just continue what I did, then you're going to get like this long strip that's going to make straight down like that. So, and we use that in different looks within the pattern. Another thing you can do is if you want to have a twist. It's just very interesting to know this going in, because then it won't seem like such a mystery. So see this? This is a plant hanger I had done. And again, here's the square knots. This is the part that holds the glass planter. And then I have this twist section here. This is just repetitively doing half of a square knot over and over again. So if you just didn't do the other half of it, it would eventually start turning on itself and create this twist. So really, once you know some of the basic knots, you have a lot of different things you can do with it. All right, so that's good for this episode. I think what we'll do is just a review really quick. All right, so the middle ones don't move. Left, make it like a 4. Put the right cord over top of your work, and then take that right cord through the loop and pull. Now reverse. The right one goes first and makes a backwards 4. Left one goes on top, and then he goes through the hole. There you go. You also can space them out. Let me show you this. See that? So if you've seen like planters that have some sections like that, and then they have more square knots, or they have a twist or whatever, you can space them out. Okay, thanks for being part of today's episode. See you next time.